Like, what? Y'all sent this to me? To me. Hey y'all, so let's get into this PR unboxing. This is just some recent PR I received over the past couple of weeks that I've just been meaning to get into anyway. So why not unbox it with you guys? So let's start with this Lancôme box. I'm assuming it has perfume in it. Idol. And so it says Idol Power. Spray Idol Power below to reveal your code. To reveal your unlock code. Okay, so let's take this off and spray and see what it does. This smells really good. It smells woody but floral. It smells really, really good. Oh yeah, it says introducing new Idol Power, fruity, woody, floral. A fragrance for those who take charge of their destiny, write their own rules. Okay, so I'm gonna put 917 on this code. Okay, 917 is entered. Let's pop this lock. This is so cute. This is like a real lock. This is so cute. Let's open it up. This is so cute. Do y'all see this bottle? So no need to spray it again. I know what it smells like. This smells really, really good. If you love woody, warm but floral scents, definitely get this from Lancôme. I cannot wait to wear this during a night out. It gives me like a night out scent, so I cannot wait to wear this next time I hop out. Huda. So, Huda sent me something actually today. This cute little box. It says Huda Beauty. And then you open it and it says, beauty is self-made. God made first, then we do the rest. But this little package comes with a little headband to pull your hair back. This is just a little pamphlet to tell you about the different blushes and stuff. Y'all see the range. Get into the range. It says easy to apply, delicious candy scent, soft focus, filtered finish, buildable, and blendable. So I'm assuming they're in here. This makeup case is so cute. I've been looking for I've been looking for a new little traveling case. So I'm definitely excited to add this to the collection. I have Intense Guava, Bubblegum, Sunset Lychee. I really wanted this one. I'm gonna just do a swatch and I wanna smell them to see if they smell good. But let's just finish unboxing this really quick before I open those up. Let's see what this is. Y'all been wanting one of these for the longest. This is a little handheld mirror. And look how clear this is. Thank you, Huda. Miss ma'am. So this is Sunset Lychee. This smells a little pretty, but I can't really smell it because that Lancôme perfume is so freaking strong. So I'm gonna just do a little swatch. I think this color is gonna be my fave. It's the first one. So is this one. Just because it's more warm. I think these are blushes as well. And this is from Mango People. So supposedly it's skincare, but it's like makeup skincare. So these are the multi-sticks for the lips, cheek, and the eyes. So these are versatile. I love how sleek these are. So I can use these on the cheek, the lips, and the eyes. And I like how they're like magnetic, so they just automatically just pop back on. Jalebi. So that red color, I don't know where I would use this. Maybe as a blush, a red blush. This is Tabla. This would be a cute like bronzer color. As a bronzer. But I don't think I would wear any of these on my lips. But I can't wait to try the brown out. I've never used a blush that dark. But we could try it. So thank you, Mango people, for sending. Like, what? Y'all sent this to me? To me. Y'all, this box is so big I can barely even pick it up. Okay. Woo. So we have a hat. Like, I would definitely wear this hat, like, to go play pickleball or tennis or something. So we have the moisturizing cream in here. Ooh, this is like wet. This is like wet. I really like this. Creamy, thick. This is gonna be good. Non-comedogenic, so it won't clog your pores. Hyaluronic acid helps retain skin's natural moisture. Okay, all day hydration. And it says accepted by the National Eczema Association. That's what I was thinking, is that this almost feels like eczema cream. That's how thick and creamy it is. I love this. Look at this mug. Look how cute this is. This is going in the coffee cabinet. I want to look back like, yes, baby. Your mama used to be a content creator, influencer. You didn't know that. Go ahead, make me a coffee. Then we have the Daily Moisturizing Lotion. Helps restore the protective skin barrier with 3 essential ceramides and hyaluronic acid. So this is your lightweight moisturizing lotion. So it's giving summertime. And then we have the Intensive Moisturizing Lotion. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I've already been using this. And I've been using it on my hands because my hands have literally been dry, cracked, and peeling. And you can barely even tell. I've been using this literally like probably 5 times a day. Restores skin barrier, continuously hydrates, and relieves itch due to dryness. This really got my hands together, y'all. I'm not even lying. I love this stuff. So then we have this sweater. Here's the front. Hey, it's me. And then here's the back, and it says CeraVe. I really love this, although it does not fit me. This is super cute, and I do love oversized hoodies, like when walking around the house and stuff like that. So I'm super excited about this. This was probably like my favorite package thus far, because it's like kind of surreal. Like, dang, CeraVe really sent me all these products, and I use their products so much. I'm just so grateful, so excited. But with that being said, that is going to conclude today's PR unboxing. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. And yeah, comment below what is your favorite product, what you want to try, or what you already have. And I will catch you on the next video.